cooking method which involves direct heat. Ano po yan? Moist heat or dry heat? Ano po yung tumpak na choice? Okay, dry heat. Tapo ba yung dry heat natin? Okay, we're talking about here yung cooking method natin mismo, no, or cooking technique kung saan nag-i-involve po tayo or gumagamit po tayo ng direct heat. Ano po yan? Moist heat po ba or dry heat? I see a lot of dry heat. Tampo yung dry heat natin. Of course, yan po ay tumpak. Okay? Pag sinabi po natin dry heat method, of course, ito po yung cooking technique natin, no, na nag-i-involve or gumagamit po tayo mismo ng direct heat without using water or liquid. Diba? Commonly po, no, makikita po natin or kadalasan ginagamit po natin ito, no, in grilling, roasting, baking, and even po, no, for frying. Okay, yan po yung ating dry heat method. Pag sinabi po nating moist heat method na naman, ito po ay nagre-rely, no, mainly on using water or steam. Okay, yung mga halimbawa po nito, yung ating boiling, yung ating steaming, and even po yung ating poaching. Provides a convenient and safe source of electricity. Is that male plug or outlet? Ano po yung tumpak na choice? Pag sinabi po natin outlet or convenience outlet, ito po yung nagpo-provide, no, ng stable and safe access point for electrical power in homes and buildings. Yung sinasaksak mismo, yan po yung tinatawag natin na male plug. But of course, yung sinasaksakan, yan naman po yung tinatawag natin na convenience outlet. Okay, so na nakuha po yung difference nila between male plug and outlet.